In this video, I'll show you how to delete your browsing history in Microsoft Edge. This is a simple and quick process. Just follow each step and you'll be able to clear your browsing data without any problem. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots, which is the menu icon. Click on it. From the menu, click on Settings. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of options. Click on Privacy, Search and Services. On the right side, scroll down until you see a section called Clear Browsing Data. Click on the button that says Choose what to clear. A new menu will appear. Here, you can pick the time range for the data you want to delete. For example, you can choose last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you want to delete everything, choose All Time. Below the time range, you will see a list of data types that can be removed. These include browsing history, download history cookies and other site data, cached images and files, passwords, autofill form data site permissions, all data from the previous version of Microsoft Edge. You can check the boxes next to the items you want to delete. For example, if you only want to delete your browsing history and keep everything else, check only the box next to Browsing History. After selecting what you want to delete, click the Clear Now button at the bottom of the menu. Edge will begin clearing the data. This may take a few seconds, depending on how much data you're removing. Once the process is complete, your selected browsing data will be deleted. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.